In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7500, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that every situation is blessed for a believer. The only condition is that they need to respond to each situation they encounter while obeying Allah, the Exalted, specifically, patience in difficulties and gratitude in times of ease. There are two aspects of life. One aspect are the situations people find themselves in, whether they are times of ease or difficulties. The control of what situation a person faces is out of their hands. Allah, the Exalted, has decided this and there is no escaping them. Therefore, stressing over the situations one faces does not make sense as they are destined and therefore inevitable. The other aspect is a person's reaction to each situation. This is in each person's control and this is what they are judged on, for example, showing patience or impatience in a difficult situation. Therefore, a Muslim must concentrate on their behavior and reaction in each situation instead of stressing over being in a situation, as this is unavoidable. If a Muslim desires to succeed in both worlds, they should assess each situation and always act in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. For example, in times of ease they must use the blessings they possess as prescribed by Islam, which is true gratitude to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
And in times of difficulty they must show patience, knowing Allah, the Exalted, chooses what is best for His servants even if they do not understand the wisdom behind the choices. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not.
It is important to note that success in every situation, in the main narration, has been indicated for the believer and not the Muslim. This is because a believer possesses stronger faith which is rooted in Islamic knowledge. As a result of their stronger faith, they adhere more strictly to the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves patience and difficulties and gratitude in times of ease. Whereas, the Muslim is someone who has accepted Islam but due to weak faith, which is caused by ignorance of Islamic knowledge, they may well fail to respond to different situations with the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, it is vital for one to gain and act on Islamic knowledge so that they reach the rank of a believer and therefore maintain their sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, under all circumstances.